I don't know what my obsession is with burgundy right now, but I got this pair of court shoes off the TikTok shop, as you can see. Yes, guys, look at the quality, spot on. I was gonna wear it today with my outfit, but no, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. But yes, and then got this bag. I mean, guys, what's not to like? Look at that. Look at this. This bag. I mean, look at how it opens. Get the packaging out. Got extra straps. Okay. Look at that. Nice. Attach the straps to the side. You know. Ready to go.